Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet M140we. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. First of all, we need to put this printer in a wireless mode by pressing the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together for 5 seconds. And see the Wi-Fi light is flashing. The Wi-Fi light is flashing now. You just need to wait for the printer to be in a wireless mode, and after that, this Wi-Fi light will need to be blinking, and the printer will be off. The printer is now switched off, but you need to wait for the light to show here. So there will be intermittent lights on the Wi-Fi network before we start. You can see the light is highlighting on the Wi-Fi. Now this printer is in a wireless mode. So to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, depending on gadget you want to use, we want to use our mobile device. So go to Play Store. Then search for HP Smart App or HP app. So if you search for HP Smart App, if it is not available, HP Smart App for Android, if it's not available, then you search for HP app. So this has now changed to HP app. Then install it on your mobile device. So previously it used to be HP Smart App, but it's now changed to HP app. So it's installing the app. Select open. Select allow. Agree to terms and conditions. Then you need to select add a device. Set up a new printer. How do you want to connect the printer? Wi-Fi network or Ethernet? So Wi-Fi network, then select continue. Get printer ready to connect to Wi-Fi network. Place the printer on a flat surface, then plug it in and power on. Connect your mobile device to a Wi-Fi network. Turn on location and Bluetooth on your mobile device and allow access when prompted. HP app requires these permissions to find and set up your printer. Your location is not being sent to HP. Then you select continue. Select allow. Select OK. Only this time. Turn Bluetooth on. Continue. HP is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Select allow. Turning on Bluetooth. And they found the printer M140 laser. Select setup. Then connect to Wi-Fi network. You find the Wi-Fi network within the environment. So I have the information, so I'm going to put the details. So the printer is found. So what I'm going to do now is to put the Wi-Fi network information. So double check information to make sure the information you put is correct. Select continue. Now I will show you printer is found. Preparing the printer. Accessing network information. Press and release the Wi-Fi flashing button on your printer. So you go to the printer and press this Wi-Fi flashing button once and release it. Printer prepared. Now getting the IP address. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. And if you look on the information, it will show you printer found, printer prepared, IP address received, connection finished. Then you select continue. Select terms and condition. Now it's checking the printer. Wi-Fi light is now steady blue light. So it's now checking the printer status, but if you look on the Wi-Fi light, you will see that the printer is no longer flashing. It's connected to Wi-Fi network and it is steady blue light now. Now it will ask you for you to select your region. Scroll down, then you select your region. Select continue from the region. After you selected your region, it will show you HP Plus. Thank you for choosing HP Plus. Select continue. Select continue. So you sign into your HP account. Select sign in. Then you select continue. Select continue. Let's print. You can skip or print the test page. Select print. Select print. Thank you for choosing HP. Print and scan, simplify tasks, get creative. So this is to show you that this printer is connected and we have printed out a test page. Then from the device, it will ask you, do you want to print from other device? Then you select continue. This is the printer here. So you can do so many things. So from this, you can scan, camera scan, print document, print photo. So after you connected this printer to Wi-Fi network, if you want to add it to your computer, you need to go to your Windows settings, go to the settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, go to printers and scanners, then select add a device. So now it's going to search available device. Then you scroll down and look for HP. And the printer is showing us idle. Print test page. There we go. This is the printer test page. You have correctly installed HP LaserJet M140we on laptop. So we connected this via Wi-Fi network. If you want to use the app, you go to your window, Microsoft Store, and type HP Smart App or HP App. So type HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. Open it up. Then select add a device. Here we go. So the printer is found online. Select online. And the printer is ready, showing us ready, and this is the toner. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone and also add it to your laptop so you can print document from the laptop. If you want to print document, for example, you can select print document, select OK, or go to the document or wherever you save the document. Double click it to open. This is the document that I want us to print. Then select print. Print on one side, then select print. There we go. So this is the document we printed out. We connected this printer to Wi-Fi network with computer and also your mobile device and printed out a test page and also printed out a document. Thank you very much indeed.